Hello, it's Osama Ghandour with you. This is a discussion about how Software Elevator works for users who need to operate the program. Software Elevator is a drawing program for drawing of the installation of elevators. So press the icon of Software Elevator, press traction or hydraulic elevators, press traction elevators. Here the archive database for the previous operations. We select the user name. Then all this data is according to this username, username 1. Okay, this person who is the manager or the owner of the building. This the date of the installation. This is the address. This is the phone number, and this is the technical information about the lift. All this data about the lift. We have the width and the depth of the lift. We have the entering open size and the structural size, the counterweight length, the capacity of the cabinet, which is 8 persons, the floor height, the entering height, the quantity of the floors of the building, these 3 floors, the stops, here 3 doors, the room height, the main drum radius, or this data about the machine and the machine room, and we have the upper gap and the pit length. We have the upper gap or which is under the machine room, and we have the door type and the speed of the lift, the control type. Okay, all this data we can use. We can check the drawing of this machine or this lift by they have elevations, they have a plan of the hostway, the event. We check now elevations. Yes. These are the data of the elevation drawing. We can select here for 3 elevations of the hostway, all elevation of structural entrance opening, elevation of the machine room. We select the first one, elevation of the hostway. This is the hostway. This is the 3 floors we selected, and this is the cabinet. This is the counterweight, and this is all the dimensions of this drawing. Okay, so we can select the elevation of structural entrance operating. Here, this is the structure. This is the door, and this is the push button of the door, and this all the sizes of this door. Okay, and this is the door, and this is the door. The structural height is 22. 2 meters, 20 centimeters, and the enter height 2 meters, and structural open 1 meter, and the enter open is 7 centimeters, and the height of the push button 1 meter. Okay, dimensions of push button is 15 centimeters by 25 centimeters. Okay, the elevation of the machine room. This is the machine room. We have you have to draw the hostway plan first. Okay, so now we have 2 options: 0 for the cabin decrease, because there is the case, or to decrease the cabinet width. So we have 2 options: to decrease in the size of the X or the Y, depth or the width. So we can select 0 for the width decrease. Okay, so this is the drawing of this cabinet. So because we decreased in the width, we put the counterweight at the right side. Okay, and this is the opening door, and this is all the dimensions of this drawing for the plan of the lift. This is the width of the cabinet and the depth of the cabinet. This is the counterweight, and this all the dimensions are needed for installation. They are very important for installations, for the technical to install the lift without any errors, or for so they achieve their installations in accurate time with little cost for installations, with no delay or installations and rebuilding it again. Okay. So this is the machine room drawing. This is the drum of the machine, and this is the assisting drum. So it's clear here we have to dig or drill in the floor because the machine is under here. Okay, and this is the rope which is for the counterweight, and this is the rope for the machine or lift machine. Okay. Thank you for listening. We complete in the other video.